Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to copy your Threads profile link. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply see the option that is follow and invite friends. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the very last option that is share my profile, and after this you can just simply see the copy option. Here you can now tap on copy, and after this the link of your thread profile is copied to your clipboard. You can send it any of your friend, and if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.